One question we hear often at West Texas Windshields is how dangerous is driving with a cracked window? Well, let's explore this common question a little bit further. Driving with a cracked windshield can obscure your line of sight, draw your attention away from the road, and catch glares from the sun that can temporarily hinder your vision, putting you and your passengers and others on the road at risk. A damaged windshield also reduces your vehicle's structural integrity. The glass itself becomes more susceptible to shattering in a front-end collision, which could cause injury to you or your passengers. Additionally, a cracked windshield may cause an airbag malfunction in some vehicles during a collision. The sheer force of the airbag deployment can shatter a damaged windshield, rendering it ineffective, which may leave occupants vulnerable to serious injury. When it comes to cracked windshields, it's better to fix them right away to avoid potential hazards. Contact your friends at West Texas Windshields today to schedule an appointment. We can't wait to hear from you.